Hello everyone, welcome to AppScript Labs. Today we'll be demonstrating a very useful feature in Google Sheets using some lines of code in Google AppScript. So you can delete all your extra sheets from a Google Sheet, or tabs as they were previously called in Excel. So let's say you have a lot of sheets in a Google Sheet and you just want to remove them all. So you don't have to go and remove them each manually. So we'll just write a very basic few lines of code which can do this work for you. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So here's the Google Sheet. Let's go to the script editor, tools, script editor, and script editor will open a very simple boilerplate on open function, which will create a menu, script menu like this over here. So let's write the basic code. So this is the code that will run. We'll refresh this sheet. The custom menu will come over here. Let's create a few sheets. Okay, we'll be on sheet 1. Sheet 1 is the active sheet, so delete all sheets. It will ask for your authorization the first time when the script is run, so we use this method to authorize. Just tells you what access scopes does it require from you. So as you can see, sheet 1 is remaining, all the other sheets have been deleted. Let's just create a few more sheets, and let's see, this is the active sheet, sheet 25, and we want to delete all other sheets. So sheet 25 remains and the other sheets are deleted. So this is a very simple code. You can just see a few lines of code. You can use that in your own Google Sheets if you want. I'll post the link to this sheet and the code in the description of the video. You can take it from there, and if you have any doubts or any questions, or you need any help in automating your Google Sheets or your G Suite platform, or any of your existing workflows, feel free to contact me at the email address given over here. Till the next video, bye bye.